Hello everyone. This is my second video lecture on Laplace transform. In the last class, we had discussed about the definition of Laplace transform, different property like linear property, multiplication property, and related problems. Today, we will discuss more about different properties. These are the today outlines: fast shifting property, change of scale property, and Laplace transform of discontinuous functions. Let us discuss what is the meaning of a fast shifting property and how it is required in solving the Laplace transform of different functions. So this is all about already in the last class, you know Laplace of any function is a function of s. That means Laplace of any function is a function of t, and its answer or solution is it is a function of variable s. So if fast shifting property like this, if Laplace of any function ft is equal to f bar s means it is the same function. Just I take a f notation for Laplace of any function to question 1, and answer is also another function. To differentiate, I take a f bar notation. Then Laplace of that function ft when multiplied with e to the power at, e means exponential function, a is a constant there, that it will be equal to f bar s minus a. That means s changes to, in the answer part of Laplace of ft, s changes to s minus a. Let us discuss how it is proved. By definition, already you know Laplace of ft in the last class, 0 to infinity, e to the power minus st, e to the power st, and dt. And since it is a Laplace of ft, e to the power at into ft is same as also integration over 0 to infinity, e to the power minus st, e to the power minus st is fixed. But what is the function part here? E to the power 80 into ft. So ft in place of ft, I write e to the power 80 into ft by algebraic formalities. And next simplification, 0 to infinity. Since base are same, power will be added. So e to the power minus st plus 80, and taking minus common, and simplification gives minus s minus a t ft dt. And comparing our definition, already know in the last class, Laplace of ft is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt. Compare this one with our this, let's say, left side. Now we write, instead now see minus s जगह पर यहाँ से minus s minus a. So clearly it will be f bar s. This will be f bar s minus a. That is, just I write in language form. If we know the Laplace transform of or simply transform of ft as f bar s, then we can write the transform of e to the power 80 into ft simply by replacing s by s minus a. Also, Laplace of e to the power minus 80 into ft, if I consider the same, it will be f bar s plus a. That means s changes to s plus a. So let us come to some problem to discuss more about this property. And these are some applications related to our shifting property. Laplace of e to the power 80 1 by s minus a. Why? Laplace of 1 in the last class, we know Laplace of 1 is simply 1 by s. Now 1 multiply with e to the power 80, it will be 1 by s replaced with s minus a means 1 by s minus a. Similarly, Laplace of t to the power n, we know n factorial by x to the power n plus 1. Here Laplace of e to the power 80 into t to the power n, it will be s replace only s minus a, n factorial by s minus a whole to the power n plus 1, but condition is n should be a whole number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. Similarly, Laplace of sine hyperbolic t, sine t, sine suppose bt. Laplace of sine bt we know last class b by a square plus b square. But when it is multiplied with the exponential function, now see in all our formula 6 formulas, all everywhere e present. E present means it is simply a function related to the shifting property question. Similarly, Laplace of cos bt s by a square plus b square, and when it is multiplied with a to the power bt, s also numerator and both denominator in both cases changes s with s minus a. Similarly, Laplace of sine hyperbolic t small h sine h bt a b by a square minus b square, and when it is multiplied with e to the power at, s only changes s minus a, and in all cases s is positive and s is greater than also a. S minus a is positive, s minus a greater than 0 or simply s greater than a. And the third last formula one, similarly Laplace of e to the power at cos bt hyperbolic t s minus a by s square minus s minus a whole square minus b square. Another property after shifting property, change of a scale property. Let us to define what is this one. If similarly as before Laplace of ft is f bar s means function of s, then Laplace of function of at mathematically t multiply with a, here t simply only t, here multiply with a, it will be 1 by a f bar s minus a. Very clearly by definition we know last class Laplace of using definition Laplace of f at t, similarly integration over 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, and in place of ft I write here f of at. And how to simplification, it is a substitution method, formula proof required, putting at is equal to u, here I put at is equal to u, so that differentiating both sides, derivative of at and derivative of u with respect to t, and a derivative of at is equal to a, here du by dt, and after taking the cross multiplication we get dt is equal to du by a, and putting all these values in our expression we get a 0 to infinity integration e to the power minus st. Minus st means s into t plus u by a, and f of at is equal to u and du by a, because dt plus replaced by du by a. After simplification 1 by a is a constant, 0 to infinity a e to the power minus su by this one fu du, and comparing again this one to our original definition of Laplace, 1 by a, 1 by lies outside, and this much gives a Laplace or f bar s minus a. That means f bar s is the Laplace of t, s only replaced here by s minus divided by a. Now come to one problem, how the change of scale property is applicable to a question. Question 1 is very simple, find the Laplace of sin 3t given that Laplace of sin t is equal to 1 by a square plus 1. So already know from formula chart in the last class Laplace of sin t is equal to 1 by a square plus 1, or in common formula is Laplace of sin at a by a square plus 1. So now see using how it is applicable this particular question in a scale property. Here Laplace of t ft is 1 by a square plus 1, that means this is f bar s. Ft is here what given, ft is sin t. So our question is what, Laplace of sin 3t. Now see comparing formula, sin 3t means at here is 3t. So what is the formula behind it, 1 by a f bar s by a. So exactly I write here same thing here, 1 by 3 f bar s by 3. So 1 by 3 is a constant, but as per formula take outside, dot means into f bar s minus a. What is f bar s here, s bar 1, f bar s is 1 by s square plus 1. So now s replaced with s by 3. So comparing s by 1 by s by 3 square plus 1, or after simplification 1 by 3 taking LCM and so simplified a 9 by a square plus 1, clearly it is a 3 by a square plus 1. Clear? Similarly, another question, find a Laplace of sine 80 by t, and given that Laplace of sine t by t is equal to tan inverse 1 by s. Clearly see, using the same format, Laplace here ft is equal to sine t by t, and a Laplace of sine t by t we know in the last class also, tan inverse 1 by s, and this is nothing but our formula or notation f bar s, and a Laplace of sine t by at is equal to comparing formula 1 by a tan inverse 1 by s by a, and after simplification we get it as 1 by a tan inverse a by s, and taking the interchanging both sides, Laplace a is a constant, take outside from denominator, Laplace of sine a t by t in the last part. So a here a 1 by a, here right side of 1 by a cancel, so rest part is a tan inverse a by s. So this is all about your regarding scale, using scale property, how to find Laplace transform of different functions. So next one, Laplace transform, these are the theory parts. Laplace transform of a discontinuous function. Discontinuous is those functions which are not continuous. Particularly in your Laplace transform chapter, the variable t, we use the variable t as positive. Positive means it stands 0 up to infinity. That means t lies with interval 0 to infinity interval, positive interval. So discontinuous means any function, suppose here up to 0 up to suppose 5, it is here continuous, another function from 5 to same function continuous from 5 to infinity. That means 0 to 5 one interval, union other interval is 5 to infinity, both are closed here. Square bracket stands for closed bracket, this is open bracket. So I write the some format here. Here the given function ft is composed to different functions. Composed means it splits into different function in different also sub intervals, like 0 5 is a sub interval, 5 to infinity is a sub interval. Suppose ft is equal to one function f1t, maybe sin t, maybe cos t, maybe exponential function, algebraic function f1t, and t lies with interval 0 to a. Suppose I take this interval 0 to infinity, I splits into 0 to a, other is a to b. There are three sub intervals. So first function is valid for t variable. I take valid with interval a to, that means here is f1t, this function interval stands for h2t, and this one suppose f3t. So I take f3t as the interval t from infinity to b. Then what is the Laplace of the total function by original single function ft? It will be by definition 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt. So 0 to infinity now splits into three intervals. One is 0 to a, other one is a to b, and third one is b to infinity. So I write within the interval symbol everything same, just function change 0 to a interval. As per our discussion, 0 to a interval the function is f1t. So ft jaga par I write f1t, e to the power minus st is fixed, dt also fixed, plus a to b second function e to the power minus st f2t dt. Similarly third function 0 to infinity minus st e to the power minus st f3 dt. That means this is the, when a function given in splitting form, in a some interval form, we can take a Laplace transform of a different function and take it their addition. Next one, I take example 1. So find the Laplace transform of suppose ft given as 1 is with interval 0 to 1, the function value is exponential e to power t, and the other one is when t is greater than 1 means 1 to infinity, the function value is 0. The question is how to find its Laplace. Now come to Laplace of any function t from definition 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt. This is the definition of a Laplace transform. And since the function given it has two parts, like one is 0 to 1 interval, other is 1 to infinity interval. The function value is within 0 to 1, the function value is e to the power t, other one is 0. So instead of ft, I write here 0 to 1 e to the power minus st, also discontinuous function, e to the power t dt, and other one is 1 to infinity e to the power minus st 0 dt. And let us to simplify this one, and clearly same base power will be added, e to the power 1 minus s into t dt interval 0 to 1, and second one is completely 0. Do not write answer is 0 because 0 something multiplied 0. So after simplification, this is a theory of integration, e to the power 1 minus s into t, integration is it is a t is variable, 1 minus s is constant, like 1 by e to the power 1 minus s divided by 1 minus s, and taking 1 minus s outside, e to the power 1 minus s, putting the values instead of t jaga par 1 minus s minus e to the power, in place of t put 0, e to the power 0, but e to the power 0 is 1, so simply answer is e to the power 1 minus s minus 1 divided by 1 minus s. Similarly, we can find another question, Laplace transform of ft, the function given as sin t with interval when t is less than pi, greater than 0, trigonometry 1, and t is greater than pi means pi to infinity, its value is 0. Similarly, we can simplify this one. Now let us discuss some problems related to our shifting property question. First question 1. Laplace transform of e to the power minus t into t square. Now take a 3-4 questions, all are related to exponential function, because now see in all questions e is common here. Here e to the power t, here also e1, here also e1. So how to simplify? First question, Laplace of e to the power minus t into t square. So already you know from the last class what is e to the power Laplace of t square. First we find the Laplace of t square, then apply fast shifting property so that we get the answer. So here Laplace of t square using formula 2 factorial divided by s to the power 2 plus 1. So 2 factorial is equal to 2 into 1 divided by s to the power 3, which is nothing but 2 by s cube. But this is not answer. Our question is Laplace of e to the power minus t square. So since it comes under first property, fast shifting property, so we write by fast shifting property. By fast shifting property or rule, Laplace of e to the power minus t into t square. Clear? So in our Laplace of t square, that means this is our function of t, this one is f bar s, function of s. So what we change now? What is t coefficient here? E power is minus t, that means t coefficient here is minus t coefficient here is minus 1, that means a here is minus 1. So comparing formula, s changes to s minus of minus 1, that means s plus 1. So in this 2 by s cube, now its answer will be 2 divided by, only replace s by s plus 1 and whole cube remain as whole cube. So this is your answer. So very simple question, and this is a short question level. Similarly, you can take second example one. Laplace of e to the power 2t and a sin t. Comparing the previous problem, first we find the Laplace of a sin t. What is the Laplace of sin t? 1 divided by a square plus 1. Comparing formula, sin a t formula, Laplace of sin a t is a divided by a square plus 1. So similarly, Laplace of here a is 1. So Laplace of sin t is 1 by a square plus 1 square, or same as 1 by a square plus 1. Since this one again attached with or multiplied with the exponential function, this comes under by fast shifting property, by fast shifting rule. E to the power 2t into sin t, but this one is what? This is f bar s, means a function of s, and our question is ft is sin t. So what to replace now? What is t coefficient here? T coefficient here is 2. That is a is equal to 2 plus 2. So f bar s minus 2. That means in place of s here, where is s? Either maybe numerator, maybe denominator. Here denominator a square. That means a square changes by s minus 2 whole square. That means everything remains same. S minus 2 whole square plus 1. So no need to simplify further. This is the answer. Similarly, we can take another question, e to the power t sin 2t cos t. Now see, in this question there are three functions. Third one, Laplace of e to the power t into sin 2t into cos t. If I compare this one to just previous question, this is exponential function, this is our function. Means this is ft, this one is a t. What is a here? A is equal to 1. So first we find whose Laplace? Laplace of ft, then by shifting property s replaced by s minus 1. So let us calculate. So now Laplace of sin 2t into cos t. Again this is a question, but now see, here is no linear property, no addition subtraction, this is a multiplication. Clearly this is the application of trigonometry, how to find its Laplace. Here the property, very simple one, multiply to divide to, not why? Without multiplication, no division, we cannot simplify, because there is no plus minus. If plus minus is given, we take a different Laplace. So why multiply to divide to? It comes under formula 2 sin a into cos b. Let us simplify. Itself it is a question. Half of Laplace, what is 2 sin a into cos b? From trigonometry, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. That means sin a 2t plus t plus sin a minus b means sin 2t minus t, bracket close, is equal to half of Laplace of sin 3t plus sin t, bracket close. And taking different Laplace of sin t and sin 3t, we get half of what is Laplace of sin 3t? Comparing formula, 3 divided by a square plus 9, and sin t Laplace is 1 by a square plus 1. But this is not our final answer. This one is what? This is our f bar s. F bar s means a function of s. So what was the original question? E multiplied. What is E multiplied? With the power t means t coefficient 1. So in place of s here, everywhere where there is s by s minus 1. Therefore final answer is Laplace of, again rewrite the question, Laplace of sin e to the power t sin 2t into cos t is equal to half of within bracket 3 remain as 3, s जगह पर replace s by s minus 1. Why? Here a is 1 means t coefficient here is 1. S minus 1 whole square plus 9 also in the second term. S minus 1 whole square plus 1 bracket close. This is your answer. Similarly, we can simplify the last one using the fast shifting property. Perhaps this was today I have discussed in the Laplace of different functions. May you are satisfied. In the next class, we will discuss further about more about your Laplace transform. Thank you all.